Hi, Amy here, and in this video I want to give you some tips for optimizing your Etsy shop for printables. So this is going to help you basically get more sales. I'm going to go over a few different things you can do to optimize your shop and drive more sales to your Etsy store. So first of all, you want to identify your target audience. Now this is probably going to be happening not only as you open up your shop, but as you continue to put in new products. So you can think about and track people who are buying your products, people who are buying similar products, interest groups and hobbies that might attract people. And this is going to be very helpful data for you. I would suggest doing some research on Etsy itself. You can also use some paid tools like eRank and Marmalade, which are also extremely helpful. And some of the other tools you can do for general research for target audience are things like Google Analytics, especially if you already have some sort of site that you're tracking. Consumer Barometer is a good site. You can look at Reddit and see what people are talking about there in your specific niche. And SEMrush, while it is mostly a paid tool, does have some free things, has a keyword magic tool that will also give you some ideas for audience research as well. So there's lots of different tools out there that you can use, and using some of these broader ones can be a good start, and then you can go to some more specific Etsy tools once you want to refine that down a little bit more. So one of the things you also need to do is optimize your shop. You want to make sure that you have a strong shop name, you have relevant keywords in your description, and you have things that are very clear. One of the things with Etsy is you can use a lot of different tags. So again, that's why sometimes one of the paid Etsy tools can be helpful, because they can help you identify popular tags, and then you can use those in your specific product listing as well. So you always want to make sure to have attractive product photographs. This is incredibly helpful. Etsy gives you, I believe, 10 or 11 photos you can use with each product, and it'd be great to use all of those for each one. So you can do different mock-ups. You can put them together in different combinations. And along with that, you also want to include compelling product descriptions. You want to make sure you're specific about what it is. So for example, if it's a digital download, you want to make sure you're very clear that people need to print it out themselves. You want to include keywords that are relevant. So for example, if you're doing a weekly planner, you want to make sure and stress it's a weekly planner as opposed to just a general planner, because people who are looking specifically for weekly planners are going to be able to find your specific planner faster and easier. So Etsy itself has internal ads, and by using optimization and optimizing your descriptions and having good photographs, that's going to help bring in ongoing traffic. If you're looking to pump up your traffic even more, you can do things like pin your products in Pinterest. Pinterest and Etsy go really well together. Pinterest is a visual search engine, and you can use a Pinterest to help drive traffic to your store. You can also use other social media sites. Instagram is also great because it's very visual as well. And you can even use things like Facebook and Twitter. But if you're going to pick one or two, I would recommend doing Pinterest and Instagram for additional traffic. So I actually have a product called Easy Printable Traffic that will teach you all these types of things in more details. And it's going to be helping you actually go ahead and find out what you can do to get more ongoing traffic without having to do a lot of extra work. But then it's also even includes templates you can use to drive traffic directly to your store. So I will include the link for that inside the description.